Hey, so we're gonna start on a standard assessment on Emily. The assessment that we choose to do for the speech delay is PLAI 2, and that's preschool language assessment. This assessment is composed of 6 subtests, and we're going to start with the matching, where I'm gonna have Emily identify some objects that I point to. Um, so we're going to use this page in our assessment book, and I'm going to just point to some objects, and I want her to identify correctly which one they are. So let's start with this. What is this?
Car.
Yeah, it's a car. What kind of car is this? You don't know? Okay, that's fine. What is this?
Pig.
Yeah, it's a pig. And what about this?
Zebra.
A zebra. Yes, of course. And what's this one? No? What do you use this for?
Cold.
Yeah, okay, that's good enough. And finally, what is this? Okay, that's fine. So we're gonna move on. We're gonna do our second subtest, which is selective analysis, and this is where we're gonna want Emily to give me a specifics of an object. So let's proceed on. Okay, so we're going to use this page, and we're going to have her identify specifically what is each shape and the color. And so we're going to start. Emily, what is this? What shape is this?
Square.
Yeah, it's a square. What color square is this? No? Okay. What is this? What shape is this?
Circle.
It's a circle. Yeah? And then what shape is this one? So you remember this one? What shape is that one?
Oh, square.
It's a square, yeah. So what's the difference? What color is this square?
Purple.
Purple square, yeah. And then, do you remember what shape this one is?
Square.
And what color square is this one?
Red.
Red. And then lastly, what shape is this one? Come on. What shape is this one?
Square.
Square. And then remember this one? What shape is this one?
Circle.
Circle. That's a good job. Okay, so we're going to move on to our next subtest, which is recording, and this is where we're going to want Emily to compare and contrast between two objects. And
Lost it.
Okay, so we're going to use this page in our assessments for Emily to tell me what's the difference between these two cups right here in the bottom. So Emily, do you want to show me, do you want to tell me the similarities between these two cups right here in the bottom?
Drinking.
What is one more similar thing about these two cups? Or what do they have in common? What, this? Do you know what that's called? Okay, no problem. Do you want to tell me what these two cups are different? How are they different?
One green.
Yeah.
Pink.
Pink. Yes, good job. So we're going to move on to our next subtest, which is reasoning. And this is where Emily's gonna tell me what could happen, what might happen, or what would happen in a situation. And so we're gonna use this page. So in this one, there is children eating in a kitchen. And so, Emily, do you want to tell me what is this right over here?
Refrigerator.
It's a refrigerator. And do you want to tell me what this is right over here? No? Okay. Do you remember what this is right over here?
Stove.
It's a stove. And what do you do with a stove? Okay. When the stove turns on, what comes out of the stove?
Fire.
Fire. So what might happen if you leave the stove on for too long?
House fire.
Yeah. Good job. I think that's it, right? Yeah, good. So now we're going to move on to our next subtitle.